Hello everyone, and a slightly unusual review today. I've just recently learned about Figma, a Japanese company that makes action figures, and I saw this on an auction site, a Figma Minibike yellow X-Ride. It's a tiny little model of a motorbike, a mini bike, that you can put an action figure on, and I thought I would buy this. I think this one comes in yellow, red and white colours. Mini bikes exist. They're tiny little motorbikes. I think they're about 50 cc's or so. A famous one in Japan is the Honda Monkey, and I'll put a photo on the screen of a Honda Monkey mini bike. Okay, let's open it up. It's from an auction site, so it's second hand, but it seems to be in nice condition. It comes with a little instruction leaflet. The mirror can be removed by the looks of it, and the position of the mirror altered. It comes in a plastic case like this. And there she is. Oh, it doesn't stand up on its own, so you have to be careful. The height of this figure is 10.5 centimetres. And the length is about 11 centimetres. Let's have a look at the detail. So the wheels have this rubbery texture. You have the headlamp and the two indicators in yellow. The high handlebars, chopper handlebars are they? With mirrors, two mirrors, the brake levers. We have the petrol tank in yellow with the cap in silver, the seat, the space for the number plate which is blank, two indicators and the brake light. We have a foot stand. Oh, it does move. So the foot stand moves, folds up. Yes, oh, so it does stand on its own, that's good. And then the engine. This is the exhaust pipe and the rear suspension. The wheels turn. The footrest here. Excellent, very high level of detail. And actually I've also bought on the same auction site some figures. So I would like to try and put a figure on this bike. Oh, so it says here there's a hole at the bottom of the figure that you can put it on a stand with. But that's not included. Just an interesting little item for bike aficionados. I particularly like the headlamp, which has got a realistic glass finish, even though it's not glass, it's all plastic. And I think that's the speedometer and on there. It would be nice if they put a little sticker on there with the dial. The seat is very hard rubber. Oh, and the seat moves. The seat comes up and down. Wow, look at that level of detail. The front wheel rotates. A mini bike. I shall probably put this bike in another video with a figure on top of it. Hope you enjoyed it for now. See you later. Yay! Yay!